Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois. Lake Michigan from Port Washington, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois until 4:45 p.m. At 2:16 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 25 nautical miles east of Wind Point. To Bayside, moving south at 20 knots. Hazard, 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Severe thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. This is the NOAA Weather Radio.